Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this product for unboxing, reviewing and testing, and this is the Auriol radio controlled weather station, and it's from Lidl. It costs 15 euros and it got 3 years warranty, and you already see the picture how it looks. Let's see some of the specs. LED backlight display, weather forecast via simple symbols, indoor and outdoor temperature, air pressure and humidity, barometric pressure graphs and values for the past 12 hours, sunrise, sunset and moonrise, moonset times, as well as moon phases. Radio controlled clock with a manual setting option, day display and 2 alarm functions. Calendar display, 8 language options, adjustable time zone, outdoor sensors with 100 meters of range in open areas, can be wall mounted or stand alone. Here it is, how it looks, and let's open it to see what we have inside, and of course to test it. Inside we are going to find the manuals. If you want to read it, it's your choice of course. There's the unit, the batteries. I don't know why the batteries was just like that. The box was sealed, but okay. Well, this is the outdoor unit that it will connect it with the indoor unit. I like the sound. Indoor unit. Ooh. Some screws for if you want to mount it in the wall. Now, here's the buttons. You can see we have 12 hours button modes. Okay, we are going to see it as I will connect the batteries. And here it is. Let's see. Ooh, a beautiful, gorgeous blue display. I like it. Very clean look. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Let's connect the outside unit. Okay, here's the outside unit. Okay. Okay, let's see what the buttons are doing. Well, first of all, we have the 24 hours and 12 hours button. The second one is the button for the connection for the outside unit. The other is the mode button. You can use it for a variety of things to change the time. The other is the alarm on off. Sun and moon button is this. The other is relative, the absolute air pressure button. The other is the max and minute button, and the other is the Celsius and the Fahrenheit. The other is the history, weather, and the last one is the channel. And here we got the reset button. You just stick something and it will reset all the unit. You don't have anything. It shows that it's already connected. Okay, time to set up the time. Just press the mode button for 3 seconds. And again, then the plus and the minus here. The time is 3:40, and then again the mode button, go to the minutes and push the minutes. Okay, here we are. Again the second, the year 2019, then the month, again the mode, and the day. And then the mode. This is Friday, yep. English, Russia. No, this is the language. Okay, France, English. Okay, beautiful. Thursday. Geographic is Bulgur, Dan, GB. Portuguese, Russian, Sweden, that's the main geographical location. BG, okay. And the time is set up. Now we need to wait a little bit, and then it will be alignment with the location, the sunrise, the sunset, the moonrise, and the moonset. We have the moon phase here, the location, the indoor temperature and the outdoor temperature. We got the indoor humidity and the outdoor pressure here. And now we can set the alarm. Here it is, and let's mode, and then push the mode button, the alarm button, and on off. The first alarm on or on off, and then again the mode button, you go to the second alarm, off, on with the alarm button. Well, next we have a diagram here with the humidity and the pressure. It goes to 12 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, and 2 hours, and to 0 hours. Some clouds here. Nice graphics. And I think that's all about this weather station. It's very beautiful, very nice blue light. The snooze and light button for your alarm. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. If you want to buy it, it's your choice. I think it's a nice product. 15 euros. It's worth to buy it, value of money. If you need a weather station, it's your choice. And with that, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my video is your choice, of course. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.